Hello viewers, for this tutorial we're going to learn how to mix our chemicals. The chemicals are hydrosulfide, caustic soda, and the dye. The dye, comes in different colors and shades. We all know that the tie and dye process is actually a chemical process, and you need to mix these chemicals very well. The chemicals have to blend together, yes, to get the real thing. If they don't blend together, you will discover that at the end of the day, your material some have patches where they are not supposed to have patches. Yeah, so you don't get what you really want. At the end of the day, you are not really happy with your product. Then another thing to put into consideration is that these chemicals have to be in the right proportion. Now, there are some things you need to be very careful with. We know that the caustic soda is a very, let me put it this way, very dangerous chemical. And when you are working with it, you need to be very careful. So the best thing is to, first of all, pour your water into the your hot water into the bucket to avoid anything. Because when it splash on you, it's not going to be okay. So you need to be very careful when you're working with this chemical. Like I said, we're going to pour our hot water first. You have to know the right quantity to pour. It shouldn't be too much. Just the one enough to be able to absorb the material you are going to use. Like I said earlier on, you can see it has to be, this is the dye. It has to be in the right proportion. Yes, it's going to be 2:1. What do I mean by 2:1? It simply means if you are pouring 2 spoons of tablespoon of dye, you are going to also pour 2 spoons of hydrosulfide. Then our caustic soda is going to be 1 tablespoon. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the shh? That's caustic soda. So the next thing, you mix it. After the stitches, as you can see, I drag my threads. Now make sure that the threads are well dragged and firm. But in the process, you have to be careful so that you don't get to tear your material. Then the next thing, you fold your material into your desired way. Then use your other rope to tie it to get the design you want. Now the next thing is for us to put the material into our chemical. So as you can see, these are final products.